Today we're going to be learning how to solve systems of equations, and we're going to be using the substitution method. By the end of the class, this should be a breeze. Our first equation is y equals x minus 1, and our second equation is 2x minus 3y equals negative 1. Let's look at our first equation, y equals x minus 1. If you notice, there's one variable, the y, that is all by itself. This is the equation we're going to start with to solve the problem. We're going to take the x minus 1 from our first equation, and we're going to substitute that into the y in the second equation. So we'll now have 2x minus 3 times the quantity x minus 1 equals negative 1. Now we're going to distribute the negative 3 to the x and to the negative 1. That will now give us 2x minus 3x plus 3 equals negative 1. We're now going to combine our like terms. So we're going to take 2x minus 3x, and that equals negative 1. We now have negative 1x plus 3 equals negative 1. We're now going to start to solve for x. The first thing we're going to do is minus 3 on both sides. When we do that, we're now going to be left with negative 1x equals negative 4. Since we now have negative 1x equals negative 4, we're now going to divide both sides by negative 1. Negative 4 divided by negative 1 gives us an answer of 4. So now x equals 4. We're now going to take our first equation, y equals x minus 1, and we're going to replace the x with 4. We're then going to do 4 minus 1, which means y equals 3. We now found an answer for x and y. X equals 4, y equals 3, and we are all done.